Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In today's newspaper in additional of Tuesday, November the 5th, 2024, and I've already solved 3 puzzles, 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, and a binary. So 1 puzzle is left, the Jigsaw Sudoku number 9539. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 14, should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. But the publisher has indicated it with this puzzle with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle we need 30 minutes or more. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes? No. How about triple boxes? I see here triple box, there triple box. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Same for there. Cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5? Well, we have a 4 already in the same area, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box. The 1 and the 2 is already given, so those 2 boxes should be 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 4 goes there. And my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? The L shape. Let me draw this here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Yeah, we have another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And yeah, those 2 are we have only 2. Those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yes, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maxima 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, that box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape is supposed to be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, these two boxes can be 1, so the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Then these two boxes can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then these two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. 3 and a 4. Okay. Well, these two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Come on. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Wait. Well, come on. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Yeah. 1 and a 3. Come on. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Come on. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So if eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Yeah. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 4. Is also connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Then let me see. Come on. 1, 2. Yeah. These two boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there then. 1, 2, 4. So 3 and a 5 should be here. Come on. I'm stuck here. 3, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. 2, 5. 3, 4. 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2. This box can be a 1, 2, 4, 3. 1, 4, 5. This box can be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. So 2 numbers left. 1 and a 2. 1 and 2 is connected with that box. 1 and 2 is also connected with that box. So we saw 1 and a 2. Okay, we need a 3 here. The 3 could be here. Could be there then. Okay. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there then. Come on. This is taking too long. Well, these two boxes can be 1 or a, well, yeah, we have a 1 and 2 there. 4. 3 or 5 here. Yeah, so 3 or 5. Yeah. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Oh, could be there. Okay, 3 or 5. Yeah. Come on, I'm stuck here. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. How about the 4? 1, 5. I'm stuck. 1, 1, 2. This box can be 1, 2, or 4. So 2 numbers left, 3 and a 5. 1, 2, 4. This box can also be not 1, 2, or 4. So 2 numbers left, 3 and a 5. So I need a 2 there. Okay. 1, 2, 4. So this box 3 or 5. Come on, come on. Well, 1. Can it be a 1? 1. These two can it be 1 or 2? Can it be a 4? So 3 or 5 here. I'm stuck here. 3, 5. 3, 5. I need a 1 here. This box cannot be 4, 2. This box cannot be a 5. We have a 5. Yeah, I cannot place it. This box can be a 5, the 2, or the 4. So 1 or a 3 is connected with that box. 1 and a 3 connected with that box. 1 and a 3. So the 2 should be there then. Yeah. 1 or 3. Come on. 3, 5. 11 minutes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 3, 5. Overlook something. 4, 5, 2, 5. 3, 4, 3, 4. Here, 2 numbers left. 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And 1 goes there. 1, 2, 5. 3, 5. 2 or 3. Come on. Can this be a? This can be a 4. Can it be a 2? I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. No 3. This box can be 5 or 4. But can this be also a 1? Yeah, it could be a 1 here. So 5, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1, 3. This box 2, 3, 4. So 1 or 5 here. This box 2, 4, 1. No. 3, 5. Could be also a 1 here. I'm stuck. 1, 2. Overlooked something. Overlooked this box. Can it be 1, 2, 5? So 2 numbers left. 3 or this box can be 5. Can be 1 or 2. Can be a 3. So 1 digit left. 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 and 4 we have 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and 4 we have 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 4 and 5 we have 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 and 5 we have 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 and 2. Overlook this one. We have no 1 there. 1 should be here. And 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 or 2. We have a 1 now. So this box is a 2. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. So the 1 and the 3 are left. Is connected with that box. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there. So this box is a 1. Is connected with that box. Is a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3 is connected with that box. Should be so 3 is also connected with that box. Should be so 3. So 2 numbers left. 2 and 1. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 1 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left. The 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left with 2, and this triple box should be here. 1 and a 3 are left. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 or 5, we have a 3 now, so this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have 1 there, so this can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 3 or 5 here. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 2. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 2. We have a double 2 there, so this can be a 2 and more. That box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Ja, ik kom eraan. Ja, kom eraan. Hoi, hoi. 1 and a 2. This should be a 2. This should be a 1. 2 numbers left. 3 and a 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 or 5. We have 5 there, so this box should be a 3. And the final 2 numbers 1 and a 5. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be a 5 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. Thank you for watching, and we'll meet again tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Bye bye for now.